Today is a video on my first ever built, the Suzuki GS450L model, and I'm going to work on a mudguard or front fender for this bike because it's throwing up a lot of dirt, so I want to kind of push that back. I'm going to use an old one for that. I'll show you that first. And I did a nice little emblem which is right behind me, so not this one, but one over there. Anyway, let's dive into the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps out, and enjoy the video. Alright, see you at the end. So the one thing I want to do now, while it's still standing here, is a front fender. I'm going to use this old crappy one I bought a long time ago. The chrome was like totally gone. You can't save this. So I've kind of been measuring it, and I'm going to cut this at the front and cut this at the back. Bit similar to the one in the back over there. I really like that. So, and I'm going to try and fit that on this one. So I got a piece of wood underneath here. Still, it's a bit too thick, but kind of get the idea. And yeah, I'm going to cut it over there, over there, and over there. Just kind of watching it like that. I think it'll be okay. It actually looks upside down, but this thing's never on top, it's always down, so maybe it's a rear fender? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna cut it anyway.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling.
It's kind of like that. Not too bad. Just round off these edges here. Clean it up. I think it comes good. Comes good? Yes, it comes good. So I'm just going to cut these round edges here. I'm going to try and start from this upper piece, go down, do that on all sides. So it's going to be rough first, and then I'll edge it out with floppy disk, I think. Okay, so this is how it came out, and I used my sandblaster over there, the one I made, and I really got this nice and clean. It was all rusty, and I used a wire brush on my drill and my sander to kind of get this nice and flat. Now it's not completely flat, so I'll use a primer that fills. I can sand it down a couple of times, make it smooth, and then we can do a color on it. But all things considered, not bad. So that came out really nice. So I took off the chrome, all the rust, stuff like that. I cut pieces from the end in the front off and painted it. Nice finish on it. And yeah, it looks a lot better. I think it's a bit dirty, but looks pretty good. Suits the bike, I think. This copyright. This original GS450L logo, which used to sit on the tank. And I want to put it somewhere else. I've got another one here as well, of course. So there's the logo. Because this used to be a GS450L, so I thought it would be nice to put that here. So it's still a GS450L, and it's kind of, because the welding wasn't really good here, it's really messy. So kind of hide that, but I think I like it. It's like a little tribute to what it used to be. So what I'm going to do is I push this through onto a piece of cardboard. I will know exactly where the holes need to be, and then I'll center punch them on the bike, drill in the hole, then at least I can push this in, and I may have to bend them a bit, but they're really easy to bend. And then I put some glue on it, and that will be it. I think that will work perfectly. Well, this is how it came out. One step forward and 2 steps back. That paint was really bad, came off. But yep, I think it's okay. My bike isn't perfect, but it is mine. Do the other side, and yeah, that's fun. Okay, that's today's video. Thank you for watching. Came out pretty good, I think. The emblems over here and the front fender, nice and black. Really suits the bike. I'm really happy with it, really chuffed. And I hope you liked it as well. Please, if you haven't subscribed, you can do that on the bell down here, and you can see me also on Instagram. So see you on the next one, and I will show you the problems I have with this engine. Alright, cheers, bye bye.